Today we'll talk about how can you find your statistics on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on statistics, you just click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to next step. It's going to show for you like this. So then here you will find all statistics you have in this list here. So I have no statistics here yet, but if you have any of this, you will find it in this list on your AnkiDroid app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.